egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a cow.
And on his farm there was a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old
Bravo!
MacDonald.
What does a cow say? Let's go for another surprise egg.